Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Google Drive and remove folders you no longer need, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to delete a folder from Google Drive using the mobile app. Whether you're freeing up space or just keeping things organized, these steps will help you get the job done quickly and easily. First, open the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're signed in with the account where the folder is stored. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This will show you all your folders and files in one place, making it easy to find what you want to remove. Next, scroll through your list and locate the folder you want to delete. When you've found it, look to the right of the folder's name and tap the three dots icon. This brings up a menu with several options for managing your folder. Now scroll down in the menu until you see the Remove option. Tap on Remove, and a confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure you want to delete this folder. Confirm your choice, and the folder will be moved to your Google Drive trash. It's important to note that deleting a folder doesn't permanently erase it right away. Instead, the folder moves to your trash, where it stays for 30 days. During this time, you can still restore it if you change your mind. If you want to permanently delete the folder immediately, you can go into your trash, find the folder, tap the three dots next to it, and select Delete Forever. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can easily keep your Google Drive organized and clutter-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more helpful tech tips.